Real talk na agad tayo ha. If you are searching about Clicknamics, chances are gusto mong malaman kung legit ba ito, paano kumita, at kung worth it ba itong subukan. Tama ba? Maybe you've tried other online businesses before na hindi nag-work. Or baka gusto mo lang ng extra income pero wala kang time sa complicated na sistema. I feel you. I was in the same situation. Kaya today, I will give you a full breakdown of Clicknamics para klaro sa'yo kung ito na nga ba ang hinahanap mong online business. Stay until the end kasi I'll share the biggest mistake na ginagawa ng mga newbies and paano ito iwasan para hindi masayang ang effort mo. First, ano nga ba ang Clicknamics? In simple terms, isa itong affiliate program, meaning kumikita ka through commissions every time someone signs up or buys through your referral link. Pero unlike other affiliate programs, Clicknamics has a revenue sharing model, which means hindi lang isang beses kakikita. You earn not just from your referrals first purchase, but also from any future purchases they make, kahit ibang produkto pa ang bilhin nila. For example, if you refer someone who buys product A, makakakuha ka ng komisyon. But it doesn't stop there. Kapag bumilit ulit sila, let's say product B or product C, you still earn from those future sales. So habang loyal customer sila, ikaw din may continuous earnings. At ito na ang pinaka-importanting tanong, legit ba ang Clicknamics? The answer is yes. Clicknamics is a legally registered business and it's based on a proven affiliate marketing model. Hindi ito networking, hindi rin siya investment scheme. Walang sapilitang recruitment, walang quota, at ang pinaka-importante, walang false promises. Pero syempre, kahit legit, hindi ibig sabihin na easy money ito ha. Effort is required. Kung naghahanap ka ng click and earn na walang ginagawa, hindi ito para sa'yo. Pero kung gusto mo namang matutunan yung tamang sistema para kumita online, then this could be the opportunity you've been looking for. So, paano ka nga ba kikita? May mga ways para kumita. Una na nga, yung affiliate commissions. Every time someone joins or buys through your link, you earn a commission. At yung nabanggit ko kanina, revenue sharing or rev share. You keep earning as long as your referrals continue to buy. At yung pangatlo, passive income potential. Habang lumalaki yung network mo, lumalaki rin yung potential earnings mo. For example nga, let's say may nag-sign up gamit yung link mo at bumili ng isang produkto, you earn a commission. Pero habang patuloy silang bumibili ng iba pang produkto, kahit months later, kikita ka pa rin. Kaya, mas malaki ang potential ng rev share or revenue sharing kaysa traditional affiliate marketing. Now, baka iniisip mo, ano namang ibibenta at ano yung mga binibili ng mga tao? Unang-una, health and wellness products, supplements for sleep, stress, blood sugar, heart, and more. Meron ding mga other services na pwede kang i-promote like digital tools, online business solutions, at marami pa. And the best part, alam mo ba, Clicknamics will provide ready-made marketing materials like banners, product images, and promo content sa affiliate portal para mas madali mong ma-promote. So, kahit first time mong mag-affiliate marketing, may tools ka na agad na pwede mong gamitin. Now, let's talk about cost. Magkano yung kailangan mong puhunan? Clicknamics offers different membership options, pero good news, hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki. Compared sa mga franchises at mga traditional na businesses, sobrang baba ng puhunan dito, but the potential income is high. Okay, now, sino yung perfect para sa Clicknamics? Sino yung perfect na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng business? If you're someone who is a stay-at-home mom or dad na gusto ng extra income, employees na gusto ng side hustle, OFW na gusto ng long-term online business, or someone na gustong mag-start ng online business pero ayaw mo ng complicated setup. Kung ikaw isa dyan, then Clicknamics might just be the perfect online business for you. Pero klaruhin muna natin yung mga common misconceptions at yung maling mindset ng mga newbies na pumapasok sa mga online businesses. Unang-una, kikita ka kaagad ng malaki. Nope. You still need effort and strategy. Pangalawa, wala kang kailangan gawin. Clicknamics is a business, hindi ito magic money scheme. Pangatlo, recruitment lang. Nope, you can still earn without recruiting. Pero mas mabilis, syempre, lumaki yung kita kung may team ka. Pero hindi yan necessary. Meron mga products at services na pwede mong i-promote ka agad-agad para pwede ka nang kumita. Basta tatandaan mo, hindi lahat ng affiliate marketing program ay pare-pareho. Do your own research and make sure you understand how it works bago ka sumali. So now, final thoughts, is Clicknamics worth it? For me, kung naghahanap ka ng legit, long-term at beginner-friendly na online business, then yes, Clicknamics is worth considering. Pero kung hindi ka willing mag-effort or gusto mo lang ng get-rich-quick scheme, hindi ito para sa'yo. Kasi ang pinaka-importante, mag-decide ka based on facts. Not hype, not fear, but real information. So, that's my full Clicknomics review. Hopefully, nakatulong ito sa iyo para makapag-decide ka kung ito ba yung business for you. And if you wanna learn more, merong free training ako na pwedeng i-share sa iyo na ma-access mo ng libre. Just click the link below or message me on Facebook para matulungan kitang makapagsimula. Let me know dyan sa comments kung ano yung biggest question mo about Clicknomics and I'll answer it in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon para updated ka sa next uploads natin about online business.